And we start with the fight against COVID-19. The latest data from the CDC show California's case rate is now the lowest in the U.S.
The state averaging 20 new cases per 100,000 people, an average of 8,500 cases a day. But what do the numbers look like in the Sacramento region specifically? Is our part of the state doing just as well? Good evening, everyone. I'm Marley Ginter.
And I'm Curtis Ming. Our news streaming right now on CBS and Sacramento. And CBS 13's Renee Santos is in Yolo County getting answers for us. Hi, Renee.
Hi, Curtis and Marley. Yeah, some say that the success that California is seeing is because of our vaccination rates as well as the testing that's happening and some COVID restrictions. But we're also learning that overall our case rates in our part of the region, they aren't doing so well. California is now the only state where community transmission of COVID-19 is substantial. The state highlighted in orange in this image from the CDC, surrounded by states in red that are still dealing with high transmission rates. But what do the numbers in our region really tell us when it comes to vaccination rates in our part of the state? Yolo, Solano, Sacramento, and Placer counties have vaccination rates over 60%. Compared to the Bay Area, where some counties have just under 80% and 85% of its eligible population fully vaccinated. Dr. Jeffrey Klausner is a professor of population and public health sciences at USC.
We've seen definitely a very strong relationship between the proportion of the population that's vaccinated and then the frequency of new infections, hospitalizations, and deaths. So we see that nationally. We see that also within California.
But when it comes to case rates, the Sacramento region isn't doing that well. Latest numbers from the state show Sacramento County at 32.8 per 100,000. Yolo shows 21.8 and Solano shows 17.7. Bela Matias is the Solano County health officer.
It comes down to vaccination rates are different. So when people socialize, you see a different level of transmission in counties with good vaccination rates than in counties with less good vaccination rates.
Dr. Amy Sisson, the Yolo County public health officer, says although work continues to be done to increase vaccinations and the numbers are slowly improving, case rates really aren't that great.
So our case rate in Yolo County and the greater Sacramento region is still high. And so I don't think we should be patting ourselves on the back for, we're doing better than the rest of the country, but we're all doing really badly right now.
And health officials do expect to see another surge within the next few months with the holidays around the corner, but they don't anticipate that surge being as big as like what we saw the last holiday season due to people actually having vaccines this time around versus last year when vaccines weren't even a thing.